Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Thousand Island dressing. We start with the creamy foundation, 1 cup of mayonnaise. Next, we introduce a vibrant touch with 1/4 cup of ketchup or chili sauce, which also adds a lovely tang. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. It brings a delightful texture and a hint of sweetness to our dressing. To elevate the flavor profile, finely mince 1 tablespoon of onion. It provides a subtle yet essential savory note without overpowering the other ingredients. For a rich, umami depth, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And to add a warm, earthy spice and a beautiful hue, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. These elements truly define the dressing's character. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine all your prepared ingredients. Stir them thoroughly until the dressing achieves a smooth, uniform consistency and an even, appealing color. This ensures every bite is perfectly balanced. Remember to taste your creation and adjust seasonings, perhaps adding a pinch of salt or a dash of freshly ground pepper to suit your preference. Once your delicious Thousand Island dressing is complete, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. This will keep it fresh and flavorful for up to 1 week, allowing you to enjoy it multiple times. This versatile dressing is perfect for enhancing green salads, adding zest to sandwiches, or serving as a delightful dip for your favorite appetizers. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.